Hi, you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Josie, and I am a wife and a mom to one and have one on the way. I am 9 months pregnant, literally due this month, and so I'm putting out my Christmas videos early, but to me, it's not very early because honestly, the day after Halloween is when I would start pulling out all my Christmas decor, anyways. But of course, I did decorate early in order to get this content to you guys because I didn't want to be 9 months pregnant decorating, but it turned out that way. But we're just gonna quickly clean up and then we're gonna go ahead and start decorating the tree first. But first, I did want to put my garland on my mantle because I had two different trees from last year, and I'm not sure if I wanted to put the frosted tree up or the green tree. I didn't really like the green tree because it was like the tone of green was just like not realistic the way this garland is. This garland is from At Home. So later on in the video, you guys will see that I got the famous like floral stems, and that was my splurge for the year. But I really love their garlands, but the garlands are just so expensive, and in order to get a really full cascading look, you have to use a lot of it, and they're like $60 each, and I would probably want like 4 or 5 of them to make my mantle look really full. So that splurge is gonna have to wait till next year. I definitely try to splurge on one thing per season, so those stems that I got, you will see later on, that was my splurge. So I'm just setting up this garland before I go ahead and start decorating the tree with my family. Like I said, these garlands, I used 2 of them. They're both from At Home. They were $14.99 each, plus I got 10% off for signing up for their membership card or whatever. And then I added some bells and ribbon that the bells I got from Walmart, and the ribbon I think Hobby Lobby or Joann's, but I had a bunch of it from last year, so I'm kind of going for that same like elegant look and traditional look that I did last year, but just changing things up. I also added some cedar stems that I had from Hobby Lobby from last year to add more dimension and versatility to this garland. So definitely, if you guys want a really full look but don't want to spend the floral price to get, or even Kirkland's price to get multiple of those Norfolk garlands, then you can get the same full look with affordable finds like this one from At Home. And now my husband is just putting up the tree. So as you can see, it's frosted, and I really want a tree that's more realistic in color. So this frosted tree looks pretty realistic, but because none of my other greenery is frosted, I really wanted a green tree, but the only one that I had was from Walmart, and the green was just not it. I really like the green that my garland is. And when you want a tree that's very full and that true type of like greenery, it's really expensive. So again, that's a splurge for another year. I try to keep myself on a one splurge per year schedule. So don't feel pressured to get everything in one year. A lot of the times when you see people decorating their whole house for Christmas, it is a collection that they built throughout the year. So I try to just pace myself and not spend too much money, and just know that if I don't get it this year, I can get it another year, and eventually I'll love everything that I have. So here we're just decorating the tree together, and I'm just using some tied on ribbon like I did last year. You want to use the loose ribbon that doesn't have any wires, and then some bells from Hobby Lobby, some ornaments from Hobby Lobby, and yeah, things that we had from last year. The only new things I got was the new plaid ornaments because I am using a lot of plaid in my Christmas decor this year. So trying to go back to traditional, but yeah, so we're just going to decorate the tree together. As you can see, I do have the matching pajamas that my family's having. That my family has on right now, but it doesn't fit me right now. So I'm the oddball out, but I hope you guys enjoy.
Don't mean nothing till it's here with me. If you know where it is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love.
one tradition that I grew up with is decorating the tree as a family while listening to Christmas music, specifically Feliz Navidad. I do come from a Spanish household, so that is my favorite tradition, and I carried it onto our family, and we just love it. My daughter really loves it, and so does my husband. So go ahead and leave me down in the description a tradition that you guys do in your family. But I did just add a cozy knit throw at the bottom of my Christmas tree. I've been liking that look way better than Christmas skirts since last year. And then these flags I DIY'd with my Cricut, and they were left over from my baby shower.
Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing.
So here I decided to jump over to the other side of the room because I wasn't seeing the vision with the different color garlands and greenery on my mantle to the tree. So I was like, let me get a boost of confidence by decorating the sofa and stuff and seeing how everything starts to look, and then I'll go ahead and decorate the shelves last. So this mirror that I have on my wall is from Target. I got it on clearance, and then I'm just adding a wreath to it. This wreath is from Hobby Lobby. I love it. It is the one that has the bells in the middle, but this one was broken and I got it for half off last year, half off the already half off price because it didn't have the bells, but I do have the ones with the bells in my bedroom. You guys will see that soon. And this knit throw is from Target. Now these pillow covers that I'm showing you are from the My Texas House Christmas collection a few years back. I'll have them linked below. And these are actually my sister-in-law's pillow covers. So thank you guys so much. Last fall she launched her Etsy shop and she started selling 3-packs of pillowcases for different seasons, and you guys sold her out on the fall ones. And now this Christmas she has these 2 beautiful plaids with a suede red one selling as a 3-pack for a really affordable price. A lot of you guys didn't get the fall ones because they sold out very quickly. She only made 10 sets. She's just starting off. She's a newly stay-at-home mom, and so if you like to support small businesses, I will leave her link down below. And again, she will not have a lot of these. She only has a set number. So if you like these, I especially love the green one, and the red one is beautiful too, so I did use it. I didn't use the suede one just because I have a bunch of red pillows already. So I have these red knit pillows, and then the Mary pillow, and another red pillow cover again from My Texas House, which I still really love. So I just incorporated 2 of her pillows on my sofa, and I just love the way they came out. I love the 2 plaids. I'm trying to add a lot of plaids for that traditional Christmas look, and yeah, I just love the way the sofa came out.
So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us.
This second red and green throw is from Joann's. I got it last year once everything was on clearance, and I said I'll use it this year. And I just love adding more than one throw to my sofa because we use them when we watch movies and stuff in here, and it just makes it more cozy. These pillowcases, and forgive me if I look like so out of it in this video. I am again 9 months pregnant, and doing this was not easy. I was so out of breath, and yeah, everything is just a challenge nowadays. But these pillow covers are from Amazon, and I'm just adding them to our armchairs again to just add more red around the room. I am a traditional red and green Christmas girl. I do not do the neutrals, so I want red everywhere. I want it to look like Christmas threw up all over my house. So I will have these links below, along with anything else that I can link below as always. And then this Christmas tree pillow is the famous Christmas tree pillow from last year from the Target dollar spot. Now this is the splurge that I was talking about. This pot is from Hobby Lobby. I've been using it for the past 3 seasons to create this really nice, like, oversized centerpiece on this coffee table. And these are the famous A Floral and Kirkland's Norfolk stems, but I did get them from Christmas Decorators Warehouse or something of that sort. I'll have them linked down below. But Kirkland's was all out of them. A Floral were way too expensive. They were $30 a stem. So I got these for $10 a stem, and I ordered 10 of them. So they were really affordable, super realistic looking, and Kirkland's is sold out of them most of the time. So I'm so happy I found them somewhere else, because I was tracking them down on Kirkland's for weeks and they were just sold out. So I used about 5 of them in this vase, and then I'm using the rest in my kitchen, which you guys will see. And now I'm just adding my ripped up coffee table book that my daughter destroyed, as always, to I'm opening it up to a nice Christmas page to match the vibes. And then I got this candle from, I think it was Big Lots, and then I'm just gonna add my candle snuffer. Sweetly singing all the plains and the mountains. Now that I was satisfied with how the room was looking and the different color of the tree and garlands didn't stand out to me as much now that everything else was decorated, I went ahead to do my shelves. And I love these shelves. If you're new here, we DIY'd this entire shiplap wall and shelves and lighting and even our fireplace. I'll have that video linked down below. But everything on here is mostly from Hobby Lobby. I love this deer. This rocking deer is my favorite piece. But yeah, everything is from Hobby Lobby except for the little house that I'm going to put on top. That is from Target. And then the Santa picture is just one of my frames that I had already, and I just downloaded an Etsy print and printed that out at Walgreens. And then I'm just adding a little bow to this tree from Hobby Lobby to again add more plaid around the room. Gloria in excelsis Deo. For my next shelf, the same thing. I got this print off of Etsy, and then I'm just adding some more stuff that are again mostly from Hobby Lobby. This vase is a DIY aged vase that I did. I'm adding a tree from, I think it was Hobby Lobby or Target, and then I'm gonna add my Target nativity set that I got last year. I love this nativity set. And also a vintage Santa. So that's my vibes this year. You're gonna notice a lot of Santas and a lot of red and green, of course, and the plaids. I'm just loving the more traditional Christmas look this year. And yeah, I tried to go for the neutrals the first year I was in this house, and I was so unhappy with it. So ever since then, I just knew that I needed to stick to what I loved and not be moved by the trends going on in Studio McGee, even though I love her stuff and I love, the neutral type of Christmas decor. It's just not for me. It's not what makes me happy. So definitely stick to what makes you happy and what makes your home feel like Christmas to you. Gloria in excelsis Deo. The last thing that I'm gonna do is add these Christmas socks to my mantle. The two fuzzy ones are from Hobby Lobby and the plaid ones are from At Home. And I love the way my mantle turned out this year. I didn't get anything for the top on this video. I'll have to update you guys because I'm looking for a specific piece that I haven't been able to get my hands on. That is just one piece that's going to go in the center. And so I didn't have it for this video. I don't know when I'm going to have it, when it's going to come back in stock. So, but I do have my eye on it, and that is the piece that I want, and I'm not getting anything else but this piece. So I'll have to update you guys on that. And then on my side tables, I'm just going to add a few pieces from Hobby Lobby and Target on both of my side tables. Keep it really simple, and then you guys will see the end shots. So thank you guys so much for watching my first video for 2023 of Christmas decorating. We still have the entire house to do, which is now done by the time that I'm doing this voiceover, so I already know what's coming your way, and I know you guys are gonna love it. I love it, and I'm so happy that I got this done because now I could bring baby boy home in a beautifully decorated house and just enjoy the newborn stages. So again, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next one, and God bless.